Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to find your recording call list on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone iPad. So I'm going to click on here, not my phone iPad. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to the contact that you make a record with. So I'm going to simply select this contact right here. Having selected the contact, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon. So it takes you to detail about your conversation with the particular contact. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on calls recordings. It take you right here, and now you have all the recording audio right here. So this is the first one and this is the second one, and this is depends on the number of time you have recorded this particular contact voice when you are making call with them. So you can simply click on here to play the voice note and click on here to play the voice note. You can also share the voice note to WhatsApp, email, as it likes. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find your record calls list on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.